So has anyone ever seen a picture of a bunch of flowers all made out of chicken feathers? The front glass swings open. You can see how thick it is, and the feathers are all inside. You can probably see some of the detail of the feathers. There's a nice one right down there. And it's in a beautiful framed case. And the wood is so dry that you dare not touch it. I'll get a close-up here on the back of how old that wood is. It shows up. Maybe from the other side there's more light. He's a little loose. The wire, obviously it's heavy, and the wire holds it on the wall. And to show you the relative size of it, and a globe, and there's the picture over the sewing machine, and it's huge. So my question is, what is it? We got the picture at an auction of a farm in southern Illinois about 1971, and the guy was done farming. Nobody in the family wanted to do the farming, and he was selling everything he owned. And the story is that the picture hung in the original farmhouse when this guy, who was probably 60, 70 years old, was a kid. His grandmother lived in the same farmhouse that they lived in. And I've searched high and low, never been able to find anything even close to it. So if anybody knows anything about it, let me know. I don't think our kids are interested in having it as a part of our estate. There might be some music or some museum dealing in folk art, farm art, or whatever that would be interested in it. Anyway, that's my question for the day with an unusual piece of Americana.